account locked on Equitise App Fix. You try to log into your Equitise account to check your investments, but you're suddenly greeted with account locked. It's frustrating, but don't worry, this happens to many users and there's a straightforward fix. Most people get this wrong, but here's the right way to unlock your Equitise account fast. The most common cause is simple: too many failed password attempts. Equitise locks accounts temporarily to protect your personal and financial information. The first step is to reset your password. Tap Forgot Password on the login page, enter your registered email, and follow the reset link that arrives in your inbox. Create a strong new password, then log in again. That alone solves most lockouts. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder, or wait a few minutes before resending. Make sure you're entering the same email link to your Equitise account. Sometimes Equitise will lock your account due to suspicious activity, like an unexpected login location or an unknown device. In this case, you'll receive an email from the security team asking you to verify it's you. Once confirmed, they'll automatically unlock your account. If you've reset your password and verified your details, but still can't access your account, contact Equitise support directly. Use the help or contact page on their website and provide your full name, registered email, and a short explanation of the issue. Their team may ask for identity verification to ensure your account is safe, and usually unlock it within a business day. To prevent this in the future, always use a secure password manager to store your credentials and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. That way, you can reduce login errors while keeping your investments safe. Getting locked out of Equitise can be stressful, but it's really a sign that the platform is protecting your assets. Follow these steps, and you'll regain access quickly and continue investing with confidence.